What's up, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the major winter storm that is impacting the Northeast, and we're going to look at the observed snowfall in the Northeast, and also the um uh temperature outlook. So before we get into this, I would recommend subscribing if you do like weather related content, and make sure you go check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So here we are looking at the this is the GFS model for tonight, and you can see rain showers for most of the region, and then you can see some cold air moving in with some lake effect snow over in the Michigan and New York and Pennsylvania. There's some lake effect snow. You can see some snow all across here of the East Coast. You actually might see some blizzard conditions right over here by Maryland, but that could be just some very heavy snow. There's also some mix down there, so we will have to keep an eye out on those icy conditions. That snow will last for about a few hours until it will move out, and then you got some lake effect snow over here in the northern New York. That'll last for only a couple of hours, and then you got another snowstorm that is hitting the northern part of Michigan. That will not last that long. But look at this. This is for December 13th into the 14th, and you can see the low moving across the region. You could see some possibly this could be icy conditions, or this could be just a mix of rain and ice and snow. But this could be some icy conditions, so definitely be careful for December 13th and 14th on the roads where this ice is heading. And you'll definitely see some very heavy rainfall. You can see in these yellow and orange colors. This is where you're going to see very heavy rainfall for most of the region on December 14th. That'll move out of Maine about the late night of December 14th. And you got some lake effect snow once again for the New York and Pennsylvania. Another snowstorm moving through 2 days later, December 16th. This will not bring as much snow, but it will definitely bring a couple of inches of snow. As you can see, that will move just east. Now we're going to look at the observed snowfall amounts. 72 hours ahead. And over here on these pink colors, you will see up to 6 or 8 inches of snow. So some pretty decent snow amounts. Like I said, this isn't going to be a very huge wind. This isn't going to be bringing feet of snow. This is just going to be. It's still 6 to 8 inches. Is still a lot of snow, but this one will not be very widespread. Over here in these darker blues, this is where you're going to see like 4 to 6 inches. And then these lighter blues, these is where you're going to see 1 to 3 inches of snow. So some pretty decent snow amounts. In Maine, you're not going to see very much snow. Less than an inch of snow probably. And next we're going to look at the temperatures for day 3. Alright, so here we're looking at the temperatures. Up here in northern Maine, you can see below zero temperatures in single digits. Also, some single digits over here in the northern part of New York. And also in the part of Vermont. And over here in Michigan, you can also see below zero or single digit temperatures. This wouldn't be the coldest temperatures you will see all winter, but these are definitely pretty frigid temperatures. So make sure you get your heavy coats out. This is going to be pretty cold for the next couple of days. we can go to day 4 max temps, and this is at 7 p.m. Quite warmer. What we are looking at the December 12th at 7 a.m. But now we are getting a little bit warmer. You're still in these 20 and teens and 20s, so pretty still below freezing. And still up here in Maine, you're early teens, so still below freezing. It's very cold. And then you see day 4 minimum temps. Actually, we were looking at the day 3 minimum temps. So here's the day 3 max temps. So this is the first day we're looking at, and these are the max temps where you can see. So you can see up to 17 degrees, still really frigid, but you could possibly see 17 degrees, so a little bit warmer. The day 4 minimum temps, look at this, negative 12 degrees for your low on December 13th, and the below zeros over here in the part northern Maine, and teens all across here, all across the region. You see 20s to teens, but mainly over here you're gonna see below zero temperatures, and all across here you're gonna see below at least 20 degrees for your low. We'll look at day 5 max temps. So your max temps for December 13th, you'll see up to 20 degrees over here in Maine. In southern parts of Maine, you'll see 31 degrees for your high. Pretty much that's the same all across here, but pretty much over here for your maximum you'll see 40 degrees, and over here in Michigan you will see for your high the 30 degrees. And for the minimum temps of this day, by the way, this is December 14th, your low temps, this is over here in the northern part of Maine, 14 degrees, so pretty frigid still, but it is not as frigid as below zero. That is scheduled for most of the region of over in these darker blues and whites. You will see for your low in the teens. But that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy enough, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a future upload. Make sure to check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, stay safe.